Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Tina Owens. At 27, I knew I was gay, but at 47 was the time that I finally came out. I was gay all day to everybody I knew except my parents. I thought it had to be a perfect moment to tell them that I was gay. I thought it had to look a certain way, so I kept waiting to tell them. I kept waiting for some moment. In fact, I even imagined it was going to look like a movie, like you would walk through the door and your mom and dad would be sitting there. And you know how it looks, like everybody walks in, Mom, Dad, I'm gay. Or even your brother or sister comes in and says, I chose to have another partner. And they say, it's all right. It's okay, we love you. And that's what I was looking for. That didn't happen. So when I did tell them I was gay, I waited. I waited till I had a beautiful partner. I waited till I did transformational work. My partner trusted me and loved me enough to know that I needed to speak my truth so I can be free. And when I did, my mom was a complete no. My dad, although yes, was still a no. And that hurt. I trembled. I felt like I was lost. I felt like there was not going to be a family anymore. But I also knew that I was finally free because I spoke up and I was able to be me, and I was able to be me completely. I am so grateful for that moment because I know in that moment that I can speak up and speak out and be proud. But I also know that I can share this with other people to know that it is okay and that you can also be free by speaking your truth. It doesn't matter whether you're gay. It doesn't matter whether you're straight, transgender. It doesn't matter whether you're holding your head down because of a loss of something. You can still speak your truth and speak up. There's so many movements going on right now where we're seeing people standing up and speaking up for their truths. Join that movement. Be your own voice. Be your own self. Thank you.